Here you see some 2022 work by Iberdrola from Spain, also known as Avangrid in the USA, showing work people painting one blade black. And for the birds that don't fly as high as the tips of the blades, they are putting eyeball decals on the towers because some birds fly into the towers. Lights are a significant indicator of the presence of the towers as well. In many cases, such as in buildings, turning off non-essential lights from 11 p.m. until 6 a.m. during critical migration periods are helpful. Painting one blade black helps 70% with daytime flying and bigger birds. Night times, when migrations usually occur, require other solutions. Lights can confuse, so simply lighting blades won't solve it. And besides, some birds fly into the towers too. Weather radar can detect migrations, and blades could be temporarily stopped, much as we do when right whales move through fishing grounds. Large orange balls on electric and telephone wires above ground are precedents.